Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, your gateway to the world of operating system. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious, I've got you covered. So let's dive into the heart of computing and hit the subscribe button and let's explore the OS together. Again, welcome everyone to my tutorial on how to install SUSE Linux using Oracle VirtualBox. First, you must prepare the installer of ISO SUSE. As you can see here, I already have downloaded SUSE Linux. For you, you can search it on your preferred browser and just type SUSE Linux and click the first link. After that, click the free downloads and click the SUSE Linux Enterprise server. So you can select your preferred enterprise path. For today, I'll be installing the Enterprise 11. So if you want, you can download it. And then next, let's open our VirtualBox and let us install SUSE Linux. To begin creating SUSE Linux virtual machine, start by clicking the New button. This will bring up a new window where you'll be prompted to enter some basic information about the virtual machine. So here, we need to specify the name of our virtual machine. So the name will be, type will be SUSE. And then the type and the version will be automatically generated. So click the next button. And here we need to specify the amount of memory that we want to allocate to our virtual machine. The default memory will be sufficient, so we can click the next button to leave it as a default. So next, we need to specify the hard disk for our virtual machine. So again, the default settings are usually sufficient, so you can select the default option and click create to proceed. Again, you'll be prompted to select the file type and physical hard disk for your specific virtual machine. This setting also can be leave at the default value. So click next. And let's say the file allocation. Again, you can leave this as a default. So click create. And there you have it. We have returned to the main screen. To proceed with the SUSE virtual machine installation, first, let's click the machine, this one, this SUSE, and then click the start button, this green arrow, click it, and then then we need to select file, the SUSE ISO file. So click this folder with a green arrow, and then add, go to the desktop where the SUSE file is located, and then click and open. Then choose the attached file and then click start. So once the installation wizard launch, just select the installation and press enter. In this area, only the keyboard and the mouse are captured. So when we click or when we use the mouse, it will appear this one. So just use the keyboard and press enter to proceed with the installation. Just wait it to load. So in this part, just click the I agree to the lines terms and then click next. Click next. The cursor is very sensitive. So click next. And again, next. And then in this mode, we need to select the new installation because we're installing the new operating system. So click next. So at this point, the time zone and the server-based scenario are both set to default. So the time zone, just click next. And the survey-based scenario is usually set in a default mode. So click next. And click the install button. Here, Just click the I agree and then click install to confirm the installation. After the installation is complete, just click the OK button to reboot the system. So in this area, you need to click or select the boot from hard disk to continue with the installation. So press enter. Then in this area, you need to enter any password of your choice. So for me, I'll be setting it as a root and click next to continue. So the password is too simple. Is it too short? Will I use this password? So click yes. You have used the username as a part of the password. It's not good security practice. I use this part. So just click yes and yes. So in this part, the host name will leave as a default. So click next. In here you'll have option to choose skip configuration or use following configuration. Just click next to if you choose the following configuration. So just wait it to load, and then click next. And here the online update and service option are set to default. So click next. The novel customer center configuration will leave as default. So click next. So let's try to click the skip button. So it says here the invalid email format. So let's give this configuration and click next. So the user authentication method is local. So let's leave it again as a default. So the new local user, we need to enter our user full name. So the username, I already made it as Nicole, and the password will be root. And then click next. Just click yes. And then just wait it and so click next again. So it says system will be prompt to the graphics. It may be flicker, so just click OK. So yeah, the screen will turn like that. So that is normal. So just click this in this part. The installation has completed successfully. So we're done. Finally, the installation is complete. Finishing the installation. So just wait this to load the system. This may take a while, but this is the last process of the installation. It just load itself for the system. And now let's try to load our credentials. So I click login, the password, and there you have it. We successfully installed the Linux operating. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining me today on how to install a SUSE Linux operating system. And I hope that you've gained valuable insight to navigate this installation process. And if you found that my tutorials are helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll never miss an update. And I want to leave you guys a short understanding about the operating system, that it is the heartbeat of every device that you use, and understand it empowers you to master your tech. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, I'm here to help you to unlock your potentials and stay curious, keep exploring, and keep learning. The world of operating system is evolving, and I'm happy here to be guide you through it. Until next time, happy computing, guys.